There's something about iKaizer Chiefs against the Steelers. Kunento iKaizer Chiefs angazi iKaizer Chiefs iyenza kanjani lento. Njalo uma bezodlala neStellenbosch bahlezi beshaya. Njalo iKaizer Chiefs angazi mhlawumbe Orlando Pirates ayinayo inyoka eright mhlawumbe phela kuneyinyoka phela ezisebenzela because akwazi iKaizer Chiefs mina since ngayiqala ukuyibona idlala against iSteelers last season iKaizer Chiefs yashaya iSteelers kuma cup competitions yashaya iSteelers kuma league games na this season baqale ngaso iSteelers baqale ngaso igame iphelile right now kuKorolilepo kwakhona nobani kwakhona noNjabulo Ngcobo ifree kick enhle bafethu ifree kick enhle lo mfana lo kule season le uzoshisa uNgcobo yabona le season kaNgcobo yes amanye ama seasons jwale umbona uNgcobo enga-impress but kule season ayisiyo uNgcobo ngempela ezodlala ngempela I don't know maybe Stellenbosch mfethu kuningi kumele ikulungisa but hlezi izoshawa iKaizer Chiefs angazi iKaizer Chiefs noma ingaboza kanjani but once they play against the Steelers they always beat iSteelers awutshela iStellenbosch sodlala nePirate noma neSundowns uzobona ke angazi noma mhlambe iSteelers sinokuyi undermine iKaizer noma iKaizer vele ibe strong bizodlala neSteelers I don't know but ungangitshela ama comments how did you see this game? It's a great start for iKaizer Chiefs bafethu maybe ufuna ukuyiwin ileague maybe ufuna ukungena ku-top 8 kumele baqale kanje this is a good start for i-team enjengeKaizer Chiefs winning 2-0 against iStellenbosch a tough team even though nakuyona iKaizer Chiefs is not a tough opponent but again it's a great start for me as an outsider or as a person who doesn't support iKaizer Chiefs this is a great start because if they continue doing izinto kanje bazogcina sebegain momentum isquad because imagine lento le bayenze engekho uNabi bayenze lento engekho uNabi menizwile kindaba uNabi uhambile bafethu waya le wabuya la le Tunisia sanenkinga zomndeni akumele ayilungise iKaizer Chiefs iwinile ngo2-0 engekho I'm sure la ekhona ujabulile uzofika alungise lapho nalapho mebuya igame elandelayo kumele bayiwine igame elandelayo kumele I don't know I think uthi angikhumbuli kahle but I think ikhona iSundowns kulama games awu5 abazoqala ngawo so iKaizer Chiefs kumele imisele ngempela kule season I see a lot of good things eziza kuyona iKaizer Chiefs ungangitshela ama comments do you think iKaizer Chiefs impress noma injwayelo nje bazofika bawine bashawe next game bawine bashawe next game ungangitshela ama comments bafethu